The strategy you're about to learn, it's so easy, you'll be like, why haven't I done this before?
You're a soldier, how dare you? You ought to be ashamed of yourself.
No excuses, my friends, let's go. Elon Musk, need I say more? He sends rockets to space, Teslas from 0 to 60 in 1.9 seconds, but you probably didn't know that he's the world's most famous trading signals provider. No, he doesn't have a Telegram group or a chat room. He doesn't even charge for these signals, but boy oh boy, do they work. Let's take a look at the evidence. Elon tweets, Tesla stock too high. No biggie, right? Well, actually, it is a biggie. Look here, May 1st exactly, 2020. Look, the stock immediately dropped before moving back higher and higher later on. Obviously, buyers of Tesla were pretty pissed off at Elon for saying something like that, but not so much the short sellers, who timed it right and sold the stock. Let's put this on the Elon Musk signals table. If you shorted 10 shares of Tesla after the tweet, boom, you just made $178. After the dip, the stock actually went higher than before because, you know, who cares? It's Elon, we love him. Pretty sweet. Another example, a little bit older, but Elon signals actually do go back a long way. He's respected in the trading community. He tweets, I'm considering taking Tesla private on August 7, 2018. This implies he will delist the stock and remove it from stock exchanges, so the stock actually becomes more exclusive in the eyes of investors and jumps higher. Smart buyers made $98 with 10 shares of Tesla, all thanks to Mr. Musk.
Nice.
I get it. Elon Musk, the CEO, tweets about his company. Market moves are bound to happen. In fact, pause this video and take a look at some of the big ones based on his tweets. Now, the best thing is, his genius signals, aka tweets, go above and beyond Tesla. 2 weeks ago, Elon tweeted this. Guess what happened? Etsy climbed 10% in the pre-market, then fell, but after that the orders were in, the community jumped on the train, the buying volume just ramped up and up and up. Smart buyers who timed Elon's tweet and bought 10 shares of Etsy made $477.30. Now, if you don't think that's big enough of a move, listen to this. When WhatsApp announced it would force users to share their personal data with Facebook, Elon did not like that one bit and tweeted this. Use Signal. That's another messaging app that offers more privacy than WhatsApp. Not only did this tweet skyrocket Signal's downloads by more than 4,200%, it sent a completely different stock, a different company called Signal Advance on an 11,700% bull run. Woo! My goodness. In the stock market that's basically going from Earth to Mars. If you timed it and bought 1,000 shares of Signal Advance right before the explosion, you would have went from $600 to $38,100. You can literally get a Tesla Model 3 for that money. That's how big of an impact 9 letters from the richest man in the world has. But wait a second. Remember, there's two sides to the market, supply, demand. So if you spotted that everyone just made a huge mistake and shorted Signal Advance instead, when it was at the highest point, you would have made $30,270. All in all, if you timed these two moves right, you would have walked away with
60 G's, baby!
In other words, a year's worth of salary that could actually get you a Tesla Model S. I mean, that's just nuts. Now you tell me, where else can you get signals like these? I mean, even Motley Fool cost me like what, $200 a year? As of late, Elon's signals have also sent Bitcoin higher on multiple occasions. Just yesterday, in a press release, he announced that Tesla is investing $1.5 billion into Bitcoin, which sent the coin close to $48,000, the highest level for Bitcoin in its, 12-year history? And also this made the Tesla the second largest corporate owner of Bitcoin. His tweets have doubled Dogecoin's value, Dogecoin, I'm still struggling with how to pronounce it. He even helped GameStop by supporting the Reddit community, which triggered the short squeeze. I think Elon may just be the world's most influential person, all because of the community that supports him. And I get the support. I mean, Elon's a genius, he saves the planet, he's the richest man in the world, he's funny, he posts memes, he's good looking, post PayPal days. I mean, he ticks all the boxes. What's not to like about him? This is a big reason why traders actually do take action based on his tweets. I just showed you a few examples that prove this. People want to be a part of the community. They want to be like Elon. What's more, whenever he says anything, the tweet gets regurgitated thousands of times on the news, trading news, tech news, business news, you name it. His tweets probably reach hundreds of millions of people around the world. Now compile that with something 40-something million Twitter followers that also shared with each other. Result is a crazy amount of trading volume that, as history shows, almost certainly gets pumped into the assets he mentions. Now it's time for the meat and potatoes, folks. I know you've been waiting for it. It's time we traders use Elon's Twitter power to our advantage. I told you the strategy will be super easy and require almost nothing. Now before I show you my setup, here's 3 things you need. Number 1, time. For this strategy to work, you have to be sharp as a knife and be connected to the internet. You have to have the time to take action immediately when Elon starts typing something. Otherwise, you'll miss the move. Number 2, you need a Twitter account. Obviously, the greatest signals from Elon happen on his Twitter account. So no questions here, get on Twitter, you need it. And third, you need a trading platform. Now, I've covered plenty of these on my other videos, so check them out. I won't mention them here. I'll just put the link somewhere down there. Now, I will show you how I set up this strategy. Let me just grab my phone real quick. Yep, cheers. Okay. Now, obviously I like to stay mobile. Let's be real, we all have this piece of glass on us almost 24/7, so less chance of missing the move if you're on a mobile device. And actually, I've dedicated a whole home screen just for this purpose. Yeah, that's how dedicated I am. So here, I have some sort of a widget for Twitter. I think it's called Twidget, no association with it, where I can see Elon's latest tweets. Automatically, I just open this screen and see what he has tweeted. Now down there I have these Apple stocks where I have my watch list, and down there I have my trading platforms. So obviously the places where I trade normally. I mentioned some of these before. Oh, actually, as you can see, a message from Elon himself. He probably knows I'm filming this video. Thanks to Elon. Anyways, I have my Twitter widget where I see Elon's latest tweets. I have my stock trading watch list, Apple stocks, everyone has this if you have an iPhone. And then at the bottom, my trading platform. So immediately, I check out what Elon has tweeted, I look at the chart, and then I jump in on my favorite platform. It's that simple. And there, if I feel like it, I can take action. If I feel like this is really gonna take off, I can take action and hopefully make a lot of money. At least it has worked before. Oh, and a super important thing, go on Twitter. I'm not much of a Twitter user. I use it only for this purpose. Let's see, go Elon Musk. Yeah, and make sure you have these notifications enabled. See, this little bell icon, all tweets. That's how, whenever Elon says something, you get it on your phone immediately. And don't turn your volume off. You need that ding. That's when you make the move. Okay, got it? So there you have it, folks. As I said in my previous videos, the power of retail trading community, whether it's on Reddit, Twitter, YouTube, is simply bonkers this year. And the year has only just begun. What are we, a month in? I do actually lose track of my time quite often. One of the cons of working all the time, but hey, work now, relax when I'm 40. I truly believe if you pay attention to Elon, have your money ready, and set up your device, your computer, whatever you want to use, however you want to do it, you could make some serious profits on these tweet-based bull runs or sell-offs. Just keep in mind that this strategy is first and foremost based on emotional triggers and speed. Elon's a guy I like, I'm gonna do what it says, and I'm gonna do it now. Now, obviously, liking or disliking something has nothing to do with the fundamentals, so I would not depend on this strategy on longer timeframes. But of course, all that depends on what Elon is actually saying. With that said, it's been my pleasure. Stay sharp, pay attention, and I guarantee you good things will come from it. See you on the next one.